party. Such a good way to start the Saturday afternoon. We go outside, we come inside. We go over the bump, over the hill, through the next corner. Wham! Kablamo! We're here. Camera's still on the helmet. So I just thought I'd keep an update of what's been going on. Ah, man. And not much really. So I spend my Saturday afternoons on the dirt bike, KTM 250 EXC. A 96 model. Ow, the tree scratched me. And the two banger, of course. It's got to be the two banger. Why? Because two bangers are sick fun to play with. Only problem is, can't really wind it up on the track here because it's just not big enough for the bike. But in saying that, it makes it a hell of a lot more fun to ride on a track like this. Let's take the old trail per se. Go down here, have a little exploration. Alright, fuck, I'm tired already. It's hard work, man. It's fucking hard work. It's good fun, but keeps you on your toes the whole freaking time. Sorry if I'm not saying much, but I'm just fucking tired, that's all. That's all I am. Just tired, buddies. Mate! Oh, you bastard. Woo! Got a lump full of dirt. She come out from under me. Fuck me, did. Oh. I didn't hurt myself too much on the top end. Woo! Motherfucker. Shit. Fuck, it gets slippery. Holy shit. There's no way I'm going to push that little nigger up the hill. Still got it there. Oh shit. I ain't buggered. Righty. I'll start it back up. What's that? Back on the horse we go. It's not so much speedy through that corner. Oh yeah, if you haven't already noticed, there's a reason why I don't hear that jump. The reason is it's too bloody steep. And it's dangerous as shit to ride it. Unless you're going extra fucking slow. What a corner that was. You beauty. Oh, bad. Let's take it through the bush. So yeah, first stack I've done on this bike. That wasn't fun. You get that though, you get those corners where it's just like, oh yeah, I'll just slip out from under you. And it's like, oh yeah. It's like, oh yeah, I'll just slip out, no inconvenience, but no inconvenience at all, it'll be fun. Oh shit, the fucking hurt. Fucking hurt. Spending the past couple of weeks on this, just dazzling it up, you know, just giving it a little bit of a, just giving a little bit of a smoothness to it. And I'm working my way back to front, so that needs to be cut. Didn't hit the camera, I don't think. So it should be late. It's fun wheeling the fuck out of this thing. Ah. Woo! Only problem is I ran out of room, so I can't really give it a good blurt. A good long fucking wheelie. So I have to kind of keep it on the down low. Which is kind of a pain in the ass. But I found balance point with it. Woo! Should have put the brakes on. But I didn't. And I fucking flailed and foot jumped off the brake, which it shouldn't have. It's kind of sketchy, but let's do a little straight speed run and that should be it. As for all you people, I'll be back with another vlog sometime soon. Back on the road bike again, bye. Yeah, I'll be back on the road bike soon. Fucking twisted the handlebars. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! So I'll be back for more. I need to go straighten these handlebars up, they're twisted a bit. So, I'll see you people later. Be back soon. Hopefully on the big bird this time, alright? See yous.